This is our Yu-Gi-Oh deck. It's Yu-Gi-Oh Yu-Gi-Oh. It's, by the way, I'm 4 years old. So let me read it out for you. Shonen Jump trading card game structure deck Yuya. So there are many card decks, but this is my favorite deck is Red Eyes, Black Dragon Red. Blue Eyes is obviously overpowered. But the thing about Red Eyes is it has potential, even though it has no power. Not that power has Blue Eyes. Red Eyes has potential. That's why I like Red Eyes and also Joey Wheeler, who is Jonochi in the Japanese anime. Anyways, moving on. This starter deck has everything you need to learn how to duel with your friends, including a ready-to-play deck for a beginner's guide and teach how the basics of Yu-Gi-Oh! Pendulum Summon as seen as Yu-Gi-Oh! Arc 5 animated series. As I said this is from Arc 5 and this is Yuya. And I guess this is Pendulum Magician something. Okay, the cards which I get here is Perform Pal Sly Hand Magician, Perform Pal King Bear, Perform Pal, okay, these are monster deck. I'm excited about the spell card. Okay, spell cards. There is a Book of Moon. See, the thing is, India में ना तुमको ये सब नहीं मिलेगा. Like not that. You don't even get anywhere. I've tried it everywhere. I've tried searching it online. Online में ना there are like 6 to 7 decks. Some are starter decks, some are structure decks. All cost about 3,000. That is not even considerate. Being the fact that यहाँ पे foreign में, I mean like other countries, you get it like for cheaper price man. And I hope if Konami sees this, I hope that they make these cards also come into India so that even if there are few Yu-Gi-Oh fans out there, they let them enjoy the decks and have their small tournament as well. Okay, so this is here and you can see the Perform Pal Sly Hand Magician. Okay, I was talking about this guy. And if you didn't know, this is ultra rare card. As you can see, there's a lot of you guys can see. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing else in here. I like the box. I would like to keep this box forever. Inside you get like this kind of a thing where they keep this thing. I don't know. Most of the time I have seen is they give it in a tray, like the plastic tray cover. What's up? Looks legit. Hopefully this is legit. I don't know guys. Special summon this card from my hand by tributing. By tributing one Pokemon per monster except a pendulum summon monster per turn. Okay, so let me keep the box aside. If you guys will see the final box. Oh, you get an odd eyes pendulum dragon in this. Like that. Okay, so this is the card which tells you Yu-Gi-Oh! Beginner's Guide. You want me to read all this? I mean, I hope my audience doesn't like reading too much. Draw face, stand by face, make face, blah blah blah. Okay, the best thing to learn about Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards, पहले learn करना है ना तो Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links खेल लो. Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links में ना they will teach you even more easier. Then this is a card and this is our playing mat. Woo! Crazy stuff, bro. Okay, so this is, you can see, this is the mat where you play, and I love it. I mean, excitement हो रहा है भाई. Okay, this is you guys तो मैंने card open कर चुके हैं. We get two ultra rares and two ultra rares and 3 super rare cards. So if you can see, this is an ultra rare card. The name is in golden or shining दिख रहा है अगर आप देख सकते हो. It's an ultra rare card का नाम भी golden होता है, ये भी golden होता है. Okay. Then there's this ultra rare card, Perform Pal King Bear, and this is Perform Pal Hand Magician, Sleight Hand Magician. Pal King Pal. That's a boss monster. It's this deck का boss monster है. Then the super rare cards are this. If you can see, Perform Pal Momon Carpet. Then Perform Pal Parrot Trio. And then Perform Pal Longboard. But I feel like these are original cards. But most of the time I don't get original cards. Original cards मिलते नहीं यार आजकल. Now I'll keep them safe. Ultra rare cards सब safe में रख दूँगा मैं. So, slightly bent though. So okay, anyways, cards are cards. अगर खो गए तो मैं तो मर ही जाऊँगा because these cost of 22,414. Okay. Perform Pal Swine Swing होगा. उसके बाद में Perform Pal Total Hopper. अजीब किस्म के नाम है. But actually the thing is, you can see अपना Yu-Gi-Oh logo here and it's written 1996 Kazuki Takahashi first edition. Okay. इसके बाद में this is my favorite card. इसका Yuya का एक favorite monster है. Odd Eyes Petal Dragon. If only I could get a hands on the structure deck called as Odd Eyes something. The structure deck it's very good deck. उसमें तो you'll get all the support for Odd Eyes. Astrology Magician, then Time Gazer Magician, Magician. Silent Magician. Perform Pal Drumula. Okay, these are all the base cards. No other type different skills. Perform Pal Second Donkey. Perform Pal Hippo. I think this. Focus. What is this? Focus Cannon. Okay, Art Find Eccentric. This card is also pretty good nowadays. I don't know. People talk about this card. It's pretty solid. These are normal monsters. Again, Draft Warwolf, Beast King Barbados, Pitch Black Werewolf, Dragon Bowser, Giant Rat. Okay, now we come to the spell cards. Spell cards में Perform Pal Dramatic Theater. When your monster gain 200 attack for each monster you control differently. Once per turn, if you control 4 Perform Pal monsters with different types, you can present summon one Odd Eyes monster from your hand, deck, and play it. Oh, 4. Okay, it's my turn. I'm going to face up one monster currently gain 100 attack for each monster. Info Carnival. That's a card. These are good cards. Okay, draw muscle. I know this. Time to control monster you control with 100 or less defense. Draw one card. Also, the monster cannot be destroyed by battle this turn. You can activate this turn. Okay, this is like staple cards. And Steel Mythical Space Typhoon. Lightning Vortex. This is my favorite card. Book of Moon. Lucky Anax. Again, Lucky Anax. Monster gains 500 attack if the face of monster you control is destroyed by opponent cards and effects. Okay, Burden of the Might. Back of Rider, face of monster that you can control until the end of the turn. This guy is Back of Rider. It's not a quick spell, normal spell. But Book of Moon is a quick spell, I guess? Yeah, quick spell. This is a quick spell. Book of Moon is a quick spell. Perform Pal Showdown. Or grab cards now. Perform Pal Showdown. What is this? Target any number of face of monster you opponent control up to the number of face of spells cards you control. Change the monster to... Oh, this is nice card. Perform Pal Queen Shelper. Once per turn. No critical attack you can negate that attack to do. Special summon a Perform Pal. Mind. Okay, this is a good card. Wall Disruption. Ceasefire, Drain Gateway Break, Draining Shield, and Draining Shield. When Omni declares an attack, target attacking monster negated attack if you do gain it. Then, Raging Roar, Dark Bright, another card, Chaos Burst. Oh, Pendulum D1, special summon face monster from an extra deck, or one Pendulum monster from an area. Nice. Okay, and these three are token cards. Token cards are nothing but token cards. I mean, दूसरे deck में भी आते हैं. If you need these can use multiple times. Token, तीनों you put अपन बहुत good हैं. Token. So that's it, guys. So cards हैं, that's it. Okay. So that's all, guys, for the deck. Deck of Yuya starter deck. So, guys, मेरा main aim है कि India में ना I want to bring the anime culture more and more. So if you don't want to buy it, I'll buy it for you. बहुत stable dialogue है लोगों का. But हाँ, मैं buy कर सकता हूँ. I mean not like a lot, but I can buy an average thing. So yeah, this was my first ever Yu-Gi-Oh purchase, which is the starter deck for Yuya, and I hope all Yu-Gi-Oh fans would love it. And if there are any Yu-Gi-Oh fans, please do. This is English edition, by the way. I'm glad I got it. It cost a bit. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That was Jojo signing out. Peace. Once again.